Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam Jasyatma buddhi kunapeti dhatuke sadhik kalatradisu bhaumayujjadhi jat tirtha buddhi salilena karhiche janesu abhignesu saeva gopha. Gopha means asses and cow. So this civilization, modern civilization, having no information of the soul, it is simply a pack of animals only. That's all. Therefore, they do not care what is the resultant action of their activities. They do not care for piety and vicious activities. They take everything. That is Asuric civilization. Pravittincha nivittincha navidu asurajana. Asurajana means this rascal of asuras, atheists, fools, rascals, they do not know pravitti and nivitti. Pravitti means in which subject matter we should take interest. That is called pravitti. And nivitti means in which subject matter we shall not take interest, or we shall try to give it up. The asurajana, they do not know. Just like we have got pravitti, inclination. Loki bhavaya amisha madhya seva nityasku jantu. Every living entity has got materially, there are two natures, spiritual and material. Materially, the inclination of sex enjoyment and eating meat, amisha. Amisha means eating meat, flesh, and fish like that. That is called amisha. Non-vegetarian means niramisha. So amisha and madhya and babaya. Babaya means sex. Loki babaya amisha madhya seva. Sex, indulgence, and eating meat, flesh, eggs, and drinking wine. Madhya means liquor. The nityasku jantu. Jantu, when one is in the material world, he is called jantu. Jantu means animal. Although he is living entity, he is not called jiva soul. He is called jantu. Jantar deho upapattaya. Jantar, this material body is developing for the jantu, or animal. Anyone who is devoid of spiritual knowledge, he is called jantu or animal. This is the Shastra thing. Jantar deho upapattaya. Who gets this material body? Jantu, animal. So long we shall get on, continually get or change this material body, we remain jantu, animal. Klesha de asa deha, a jantu, animal, can tolerate, or he is forced to tolerate. Just like a bullock yoked in the cart and the whipping, he has to tolerate. He cannot get out of it. Similarly, when they are taken to slaughterhouse to be killed, he has to tolerate it. There is no way. This is called jantu. So those who have surrendered to the material nature, he has to suffer. He has to suffer. There is no way out. You have accepted this body, you must suffer. Klesha deha. This material body means suffering. So they do not know this. They are making so many arrangements and plans how to become happy, how to become peaceful without any miserable condition. But these rascals do not know that so long you have got this material body, either a king's body or an ant's body, you must have to suffer. They do not. Therefore Krishna says here that you take care of the soul, tasmadenam, tasmadevam viditva. Just try to understand the soul is important. You have got to lament for this body. This is already settled up. So much suffering, so much comforts we will get. Although the body, material body, because the material body is also created according to the three qualities. Karanam gunasangasya sadasad janma jonishu. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,